my channel. My name is Karen, and the name of my channel is PRgrl for Puerto Rican girl. I hope that everyone is doing well and safe. In today's video, as you can see by the goodie I have here in this bag, I'm going to show you a Trollbeads accumulated haul. I purchased Trollbeads on a few occasions recently. Was Black Friday, winter sale. They also had a sale in January from the retired items, so I can't wait to show you everything I got. And also last weekend, Trollbeads had a promo where you can get a few pieces with a discount. You know, I wanted to say that I took advantage of this promo, and that haul is gonna come up soon as well. So yeah, I'm very excited to show you all the pieces I got, and I feel this video is gonna be a little bit long just because I have a lot to show you. So anyhow, I hope that you enjoy watching this, and let's get right into it and show you the pieces that I got. Okay guys, so I'm so excited to show you all the pieces I got. I have been waiting some time to do this haul for you. And the first thing I'm gonna show you is a bracelet that I won from Trollbeads Brandon store in Florida. I was so lucky to be the winner of this bracelet, and I have it right here. I'm gonna show it to you. It is called the Heart Ripples bracelet. And I got all these pieces on this giveaway. I got the foxtail bracelet, this beautiful lock, which is, you know, of course, part of the Heart Ripples bracelet. New sturdy symbol lock, which is this one, so gorgeous with the heart and the swirls, so beautiful. And I love, like, you know, it's so easy to open and close. It's beautiful. As well as the stunning glass bead, which is this one. Oh, I love that shade of blue, and I didn't have anything on my collection with that shade, so I just love it, and it's making me wanting to buy more blue stones. And then also it has the Heart Ripples bead, which is so gorgeous with 3 hearts. I don't know if you can see them from above, but you have those 3 hearts with the ripples. It's beautiful because the representation is that all of them are in theme of ripples in the water. It is so beautiful, and I'm just super happy and super excited that I won this bracelet. Isn't it gorgeous? So beautiful. So thank you so much, Trollbeads Brandon. I'm so happy that I won this giveaway, and I can't wait to wear it. As part of my hauls, the hauls that I did, one thing I remember I got is this. This is the stopper or spacer in the oxidized version. I had one that I got some time ago. I think it was maybe a year ago, March of last year. And I wanted to get another one, particularly if I want to use one, let's say, on a bracelet, and then, or on a bangle, or 2 on a bangle, and then I want to maybe put one also on my fantasy necklace with the pearls. So that's why I got this one. So let me put it right there. And now I'm gonna start showcasing to you all the pieces that I got. I will try my best to describe to you when I got which, because I cannot remember quite well what I got for Black Friday, what I got for the winter sale, and I do remember what I got in January. So bear in mind that you know, it had been a while, so I'm trying to do my best. Okay, so the first piece I'm gonna show you is in this cute little box. This is a silver piece, and this is called Double Bow. I got this piece because I have seen it on other pictures on Instagram, and it's a great piece. It's a pendant. It's a great piece to put on the fantasy necklace. It served as a splitter bead, and I just wanted to get it, but I was so happy to get this. And you know, I said that I could use it as a splitter bead on my fantasy necklace, but of course I can use it for 2 bracelets together. In fact, let me bring my fantasy necklace for you and show you. So here's my fantasy necklace. I already placed the double bow on it. And as you can see, as I said, it helps the feature of helping split the necklace. So you can put it down or up. And Jandra from My Expressions has a very beautiful video on these fantasy necklaces and these splitter beads. So I'm gonna put her video on the information box down below for you to see. But I love that. I loved how beautiful this look, and of course I can't wait to use it. Okay, so let me put it right there. Okay, so those were my only silver pieces. Spoiler alert, I bought a few more pieces in silver from the promo that was going on last weekend. But the other reason I'm gonna show you everything is glass bead. So I'm gonna start with this box. In here I have, let's see, two beads. Okay, in here I got these two. The first one is what is called the Scarlet Armadillo bead. So let me put it on a charm bar, a bead bar. It is this one. It is so beautiful, and I wanted something red because I don't have that many red pieces on my collection. It is so beautiful, and I love the shade of light orange that it has. And I would love to collect more of these armadillo beads. The next one, you have to forget me because I tried to find the name of this, but I couldn't. I think that this was actually a unique. And if you follow me on Instagram, maybe you saw this from my Instagram account. I wanted to get a bead for Christmas, and I thought that this one was very beautiful to go with my Poinsettia flower from Moret's Charms. And I also love it next to my Deer bead from Moret's. And I thought even these two together would look so beautiful. Of course, I feel, the armadillo is kind of small compared to the other one, but that's the beauty of everything, right? That everything has different, everything is handmade. So it has different shapes and forms. So I love that. Okay, so the next box, it is this one. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, so these ones were the ones that I got from the January sale, where there were items from the outlet with an extra 10% discount. Let me take them out here and show them to you in more details. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one. This is called the Pink Bud Bead, and it says that it left the collection in 2012, and I was so happy to find this because 2012 is almost 10 years now, and I'm so happy to know that there's still things in the collection, even though they retired, they're still around. And I love this shade because, of course, the core is pink, but the buds are kind of red, so I love that. In fact, I even thought that next to the armadillo bead, the scarlet armadillo bead was gonna be so beautiful next to each other. What do you guys think? Oh, so pretty. And I love this variety of the glass beads from Trollbeads because you have some that are opaque, some are more luminescent, like this pink bud. It is so beautiful. Okay, the next one that I'm gonna show you, probably won't be surprised because I have said before on my channel that I'm after all these glass beads that have a swirl of gold on them. And this one is called the light blue gold Murano bead. I have the one in pink, and I knew I wanted to get this one as well. This one left the collection in 2020. This bead contains 22 karat gold, and I love the swirl and the shape of blue, perhaps even with my Reaper's bracelet. Let me bring it again. So next to this Ripple's Murano, it looks so gorgeous together. So let me put this in here because I realized I left it in the box. And the final glass bead that I had on this box is the following. It is called Summer Flourish. And I just love the shape of burgundy of one that it has, the beautiful white flowers with the center, kind of like shimmery one. So beautiful, so beautiful. Love it. And I kind of thought that I could use this one with my fantasy necklace because it has the white pearl, and I thought it was gonna be very beautiful, against my pearl from the fantasy necklace. What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. Okay, and the final box I'm gonna show you, it has 3 glass beads again, but in this occasion I'm very excited because these are 3 glass beads that complete my first Trollbeads kit, and they are this one. These ones are part of the Forest Life kit, and I'm gonna say that this kit was the one that made me start purchasing Trollbeads. So I'm gonna show you each one to you in details. Okay, so the first one is this one. It is called Willow Twigs, and I love that all of these are faceted, so you see a beautiful shine on them. This kit was designed by Neetu Gupta. I hope that I'm pronouncing that right. And I have seen many designs from her, and I'm gonna say that I love her pieces. This one, Willow Twigs, it has like kind of like a cream base on it, and then also swirls of olive green. I just love it, love it, love it. So beautiful. Okay, so let me put that one right there. The next one I'm gonna show you, it's called Raindrops. It is very beautiful, again, with the faceted details and then a black core on it. And of course, all the center pieces have cream and kind of white shape representing the drops. I found it so, so beautiful, gorgeous. And the last one that complete my kit is called Voice of Wind. And I will say that this is one of my favorite. I love like, it has like the black core, and then with those kind of like brownish, like coffee color on it, which for me, it sort of feel like a 3D effect. And for that reason, I love it so much. Let me bring the other three so I can show you my complete kit because I'm just so excited for it. Okay, so here is my kit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. How beautiful. So we have Forest Glam is the one on the first one on the left. This one is called Acorns. And then this one, the green one, is called Glimpse of Green. How gorgeous they look together. I'm just so excited for this. So, so excited. And look at how much they shine. Just beautiful. So I'm gonna place them down here. And then I got one more thing that I want to show you. This piece is something that I have wanted for a while and I just decided to get it. And this is the Bead Stinger. I hope that I'm pronouncing that right. And the reason why I got this is because I got one which was, they give it for free to me when I started buying from Trollbeads. And honestly, one time I was using it and it poked my finger, so I got a little blood there. I felt that since then I wanted to get this piece. So the one that they gave to me was this piece. And let me show it to you. It is like this. And it kind of bended, but that thing right there poked my finger. And since then I said, okay, I have to be more careful. And I just decided to get the stinger. The stinger, you use it to place particularly the stoppers on the bracelet. And I also love that it comes with this wooden thing that it will help you to make some designs. It also has a magnifying glass in here, so I love that to look at my beads. I also love that it has the Trollbeads engraving, like the words Trollbeads on that side. And then on here, you have that piece that helps you to put, the stoppers or any kind of bead that you want in order for your bracelet. So yeah, I'm just so happy that I got this as well. I also got a Trollbeads catalog. Let me put the pieces right here so I can show you. I got a catalog, and of course, if you want, like I did in the past, if you want to see this catalog in details, I can do a dedicated video for it. But of course, you have the entire collection, including the new pieces for spring, and also it includes the winter 2020 collection. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching everything I got. I'm just so excited to use all these pieces, and I see you in a minute. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna say that I have been loving everything I got. As I say, I have this catalog. I did a browse with me with the previous catalog, the one from last year, 2020. So if you're interested in watching this catalog, of course, I can do a video for you. I love having catalogs and looking at those beautiful pictures and all the goodies. So yeah, I have been loving Trollbeads so much, and I can't wait to design with the new pieces I got, and then also the pieces that I'm gonna get from the promo of last weekend. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. And as I always say, if you like it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Gracias.